up, guys? My guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Alright. Okay, so for today, I want to show you some makossa licks. Okay, you're going to apply in your playing whenever you are making a makossa section. When you are playing a makossa section in your church, you know, normally the 1-4-5 chord progression. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you this lesson in the key of B. So most of you that are not familiar with the key of B, okay, today you're going to be familiar with the key of B because of the backing track I'm going to use. Okay, so if this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, all right. Shout out to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I really celebrate you guys. Thanks for tuning into this channel. Okay, so before we continue, if you know that your guitar is not a standard tuning, I'll advise you to tune your guitar on a standard tuning. Okay, let your guitar be on a standard tuning. Get a guitar tuner so you can tune your guitar to a standard tuning. Okay, this is the key of B on the third string. Okay. Okay, that is the key of B. Okay, we have the key of B here on the second string here, on the 12th fret. Okay, that is the key of B. So for most of you that are not familiar with the key of B, that is the key of B. Okay, so the chord progression will be okay, that is from your one chord. Va, sol, va, do. Okay, I believe most of you are familiar with this chord shape. This is the key of B, the chord shape. Do, sol, mi, do. We have it here also. Okay, on the 12th fret. Okay, we have it here. Okay. We have it here also on the 7th fret. On the 4th string, this is how you hold the shape. Okay. Your va is like this. You buy like so just like the M chord. Okay, that's all will be G sharp, F sharp, sorry, F sharp. You can hold a full bar chord. If you want to play makossa, you hold a half chord like this. So what I'm playing there is so when I strum the B chord now, so I now play do la do, okay, do mi, do mi, do mi, do mi, okay, I strum it at once. I go to my va, now I pick from the re and the la again. The first and the second string. Okay. Now go to the sol chord. Okay. That will be your sol re. Sorry, that will be your ti re. Ti re. Okay. That will be your ti la ti. Okay. Ti la ti la ti. Go to your va 4 chord again. Go to your va chord again, okay? Okay, that is for the first part. Okay? For the second part is I play something like Okay, from your so 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 mi do so 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 mi do so 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 mi do fa ba re la ti. Okay, fa ba re la ti. So 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 fa mi do. Okay, so 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 fa mi do. Okay, so that is the second part. And the third part there is okay. So what I'm playing there is I play on this shape now. This key of B shape. Okay. Okay. So I play do 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 fa mi re do la ti so do 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 fa mi re la ti so. Okay, you're gonna do it. Gonna pull on. So I play from the la ti so la from on your fourth string now. I slide from the la to ti. La ti so la va. Okay. So the second string la va mi do. I think those three licks can help you, okay, in your makossa section whenever you're soloing over makossa section, okay. So I want you to work on those three licks. In the next video, I'm going to show you more licks on how to apply on that, okay. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. All right, bye.